The 2023 ISSA Show Innovation of the Year award goes to Compact Quad Plus 4-Roll Toilet Paper Dispenser by GP Pro.
The ISSA Show Innovation Award celebrates and honors trailblazing companies in the commercial, institutional, and residential cleaning community. The Innovation Awards are judged and voted on by professionals in the cleaning industry. Winning the Innovation of the Year award is the ultimate honor for companies and innovators. The Compact Quad Plus toilet paper dispenser includes a number of unique features designed to optimize maintenance, waste reduction, and hygiene. These include an updated roll spindle system, a patented tissue roll lock that helps prevent stub roll waste, sliding doors that help protect rolls from cross-contamination, and a new push lock that allows for easier maintainer access. At GP Pro, we take great pride in bringing innovative solutions to market that uniquely address the needs of stakeholders throughout the cleaning industry.